Can you set the timer, Jonathan, 1 full minute for the radial pulse? And,
You're gonna check me, right?
yeah, she's going to.
Oh, that's fine. No problem. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Hi, how are you? My name is Jason. I'm gonna be your CNA for today, and today I'm here to take your vitals. Is that okay?
Yes.
Alrighty, I'm just gonna wash my hands, close your curtain, and I'll be right back.
It's not an actual pencil. No.
Oh, I know, that one is for the computer, right? All right. That pencil.
Alrighty, I'm gonna close your privacy curtain. Alrighty, Miss Wong. Can I just confirm your name and date of birth?
Evelyn Wang, March 31st.
Looks about right. Alrighty, are you feeling any pain, any discomfort?
No.
Okay, alright. So I'm just gonna take your vital signs. I'll let you know when I'm done.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Time's up.
Alrighty, Miss Wong. Is there anything else that you need from me? Would you like to watch TV? Would you like to eat? I can send the dietary department down to see
I'm
what you
good.
like. You're okay? Alrighty. Please let me know if you need anything. Here's your call out. Put it within reach. Okay, and I'm gonna document and wash my hands, okay? Flush.
How much you got?
20 seconds. Dry. Dry. Dry.
You can end it now,
Infection